Hi, this is Wayne Blau, and today we're going to talk about how to use QuickBooks to track mileage. Look, the IRS has hired many new auditors, and the audit rates for small businesses are increasing dramatically. Our local IRS office used to have only two auditors for the whole El Paso area, and is now well over 20 and still hiring. If you are unlucky enough to get audited, auto usage will be one of the things they're looking at. IRS regulations require you to keep a log of your auto usage and what the business portion is. I can count on probably one or two hands now how many business owners actually keep good logs. Really, it's pretty simple. The rest of us, if we're audited and you don't keep good logs, IRS regulations require them to literally throw it out. And most agents, they don't. They just throw it out and let you appeal. And appealing is going to be, yeah, you'll win it back, but it's, there's a large cost in accounting and legal fees that are added. So the best thing to do is to use some preemptive, planning and track it. There's so many different ways. You can use the standard written format. You can use Mile IQ, which is an app for the iPhone. There's plenty of apps for Droids and any smartphone that use the GPS. But sometimes in QuickBooks, you can actually use this to track your mileage, allocate cost, bill it to a customer. Quite a few different things that most people don't realize is there. So let's take a look at that. I've opened up our sample company, Rock Castle Construction, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the company menu up there, click down here on enter vehicle mileage. Now what's going to happen, we're going to enter a vehicle, and then we'll pick, they've set some up for us. We'll use the Ford truck. It's a sample company, so it's using some time in the end. I can adjust the dates very easily. I can put in an odometer. This is a pretty old truck, so let's say it starts at 120, and ending odometer was 120, 125, let's say. See how it does the math. Now I could skip that, I believe. All right. And I could just put in 125. So I can just put in the mileage or I can put in the odometer. All right. Either way, you saw what I did. Now I can assign this to a customer. All right. If it's going to be billed. So let's say I'm doing this kitchen job, and I can decide billable or non-billable right there. See where I clicked right there, billable or non-billable. So in this particular case, I'm going to say it's non-billable because I didn't do it. I'm going to put with an item code and say it was, whoops, hit the end, that's loud. We can pick the service that we normally do. Let's say it's repairs, all right. I can put a class, this is a remodel. I can put in some notes, went out to job multiple times today to review work and bring materials. Alright, so I can literally do this pretty easily. I say save and close. Wow, that was a little bit loud. Remind me to shut that down. Now I can go to reports, and I can often see, there it is, job time and mileage. I always have trouble finding it, sorry. See right here, I went to reports. Alright, sorry about that. Clicked the wrong thing. Let me try again. Ready? Go to reports, go to job time and mileage, see it? Go down here, mileage by vehicle summary. I got four different reports here. Well, really two that I can get a summary or a detail. I can see mileage by vehicle or mileage by job. By vehicle, it's literally just telling me for any particular time frame, so I can change the time frame. It's telling me how many miles I wrote and what my mileage expense was. Okay. For the other ones, I can go to, sorry, I don't know why I'm having trouble here. The job basically tells me what job I put the mileage on and what the expense to be allocated. So as you can see, there's pretty handy stuff if you want to get that detailed. If you're running in fleets, I can see a lot of uses for this. You're running trucks and you want to keep track of miles and you maybe even bill by the mile. This is an excellent way to actually use it in order to be able to bill your mileage. Just control your cost just to make sure you know where everybody is. You can easily see that. So again, this is something to consider, and QuickBooks does a pretty good job of it. Hope this helps you. Thank you very much, and this is Wayne Blau.